Hi y'all, it's Erin from BoodleBox Success, and today I wanted to talk about how do you combine docs to get the perfect final product on BoodleBox. First thing you need to do is attach your knowledge. You can attach knowledge to a chat right here up by this little paperclip. I've already gone ahead and done that for the purposes of our conversation today. I attached 2 old annual fund plans so that I could put them together to make up a new plan. So what I did was I went to @TextCombine. Again, he's right down here in the box. You can either write TextBot combine or you can pick another bot. There's lots of options for you. So I asked to combine them two into a new annual fund plan for Green Tree School. It does not exist, but I did ask it. So it gave me an overall approach. It gave me some pieces for the alumni fund, the parents fund. So it sort of took out some of the best elements of my 2 documents attached. And I asked for some more detail based on that knowledge. That was a little short for what I was hoping to achieve. Able to do that, so it gave me a little bit more detail. And there you go. What would have taken me hours of sifting and finding gave me a really complete place to start writing my annual fund plan in just a few clicks of a button on BoodleBox. I hope that helps. Cheers!